The MLCS Drill Press Sled is the best accessory for any drill press tables, allowing for an XY axis movements. Our drill press sled gives you a 12-inch by 24-inch flat work surface to hold any size stock. The sled has a simple and clean design, giving a free-floating table feeling. Inside the box, you will receive everything you need to make the drill press sled work just the way you want it. Setup is super easy. The track mounting screws are installed in your sled, so all you need to do is simply slide the sled onto the drill press T-tracks and you're ready to go. Included with the drill press sled are 4 hold-down clamps. These adjustable track hold-downs can be tightened or loosened for precision control of movement. Clamp any vise to our drill press sled and you'll instantly create an XY vise. Our drill press sled is also very popular for use with our bowl and tray templates. Just clamp down the wooden template one time and the sled will provide quick, secure movements to remove bulk stock. The MLCS Drill Press Sled adds a ton of functionality, precision, and repeatability. Find it online at mlcswoodworking.com and eagleamerica.com.